Tell me the difference between ethnicity and race. Because even Google is not giving you the proper answers. Let's come back. On one hand, I'm looking at aspects like language, culture, ritualistic behavior, right? Food habit, dressing style, right? Marriage pattern. Clear? That's on one hand. On the other hand, I'm looking at physical features. The nature of the hair, color of the eyelid, skin color, height, physical build. I'm looking at these aspects. The shape of the nose, shape of the eyes, not just the eyelid, also the shape of the eyes, right? I'm also looking at the shape of the skull, right? Tell me, what am I looking at? The first hand I was looking at ethnicity. The second I was looking at race. Race is something based on biology.